but never used to carry these, but now I recommend. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vloggy vlog. So today is April 1st and I'm heading to do some hygiene shopping and decided to do a video for you guys. I actually need to stock up on a good set of stuff and I have my list here of the stuff that I need. Because it's a good set of stuff that I need, I decided to record a video for you guys. However, we don't have a Target here in Canada, so I'll be going to Walmart first for my skincare products, and then I'll be going to my local beauty supply store for my hair care products because Walmart don't usually have the products that I use for my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna stock up on my usual products, but also too I want to try maybe some new stuff, but I'll see when I get to the store if they have anything new worth trying or if I'll just stick to my regular usual stuff. But I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so I'll see you guys when I get to the store. Hi guys, I just arrived Walmart. I'm here in the vitamin section because I need to add some vitamins. Sensodyne because I have sensitive teeth. The doctor recommended me to use Sensodyne. Sometimes I use Colgate too, but the Sensodyne works good. So I'm gonna get this one. A lot of people talk about this on social media and they say the double cleaning one is a good one to get, so I'm gonna get that one. Thinking about getting this rose water and pink sea salt. It smells good, but I need something to moisturize my skin because it's winter and like my skin gets really dry, so I need something that would add extra moisture, and this doesn't quite say that. This is more focusing on softening and exfoliating the skin. This is the one that I'm currently using at home. This is intensely hydrating. I don't really see anything else. I don't really see anything else that I would try, so I would go ahead and get this again because this works really good for my skin. Actually, I see they have the Method body wash, so let me check. These are the two they have. This smells good. Yeah, leave skin feeling moisturized, smelling like when you're stressed. So this is good for moisturizing. And this one, yeah, this one. These are actually moisturizing. This one is broken. This coconut one smells good. I think I like this one better, so actually I'm gonna try this instead. So usually I use Tampax, but both my friend, she actually recommended these organic ones that she uses, and she said that they are really good. These are the ones she recommended, and she said that they're really good. They're organic, so I think I'm gonna try these just because I have discomfort with these ones, but these are the ones I would usually use. So I'm gonna try these ones. So I'm gonna get the regular and the super. It's 20 regular, 10 super. Usually when I'm buying something, I would buy one of it to try it, but they have them on sale 2 for $18. So I'm gonna just get 2 because one is $15. So $3 more for 2. So I'm gonna just get these 2. Hi guys, so I'm back at home now and I'm gonna give you guys a haul because I didn't show you like literally everything that I picked up when I was shopping. So I'm gonna give you a haul now quickly. So you guys saw when I picked this up, this was the women's gummies multivitamin. These are really good for day-to-day supplements. So I usually take these and I had to restock on them, so I got myself a bottle. Now we're gonna do oral care. So I got this Sensodyne toothpaste. This is multi-action with triple cleaning action. So I usually use this. This works really good. So I like this. Then I got the Scope mouthwash. I always use this mouthwash. I really like it. This is a new addition because I don't usually use grain. I usually just buy the dollar store toothpicks, but I saw people talking about the double-sided ones. The dollar store one only comes single-sided, but they were talking about the double-sided ones and how they're really good for your teeth and flossing. So I'm gonna try these ones. Next we're gonna do skincare. So I got these pear soaps. This soap works really good. It cleanses the body really good. Only thing I don't really like about them is that they melt really quickly. Like when you use them, like you don't get like a lot of lathers out of it because it dissipates really fast. But they cleanse the body really good. So I highly recommend these. Next is this Method body wash. This one is peony. Hope I'm saying that right. It says that it infused with peony, rose water, pink sea salt. These purifying suds leave skin feeling moisturized plus smelling like a no stress zone. So I'm gonna try this. I never used it before, but I'm excited to try it. It smells really good actually. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this one. And then I got this body lotion. This is Ren Pure. I never used this before, but I tried it in the store and it felt really good on my skin. I just used it to kind of like lotion my hands and it felt like really good on my hands, and it didn't leave my hand feeling like greasy because I don't like stuff that leave my hands feeling like really greasy, but yeah, it felt moisturized. So because of my dry skin, I'm gonna try this one and see how it works, but I'm excited to try it. And it has cocoa butter and shea, which are two good ingredients for moisturizing the skin. Then I got this Dr. Teal's Epsom salts. This one is, it says to nourish and protect with coconut oil. Helps ease aches and soreness, which is good if you go to the gym or whatever and you want to sort. This is good for that. And then it also helps moisturize and soften the skin. So that's the reason why I got this. I always use Dr. Teal's Epsom salts products because they work really good. I also highly recommend this. This will be good for soaking and stuff like that and putting the moisture back into the skin. Got this Dove deodorant. This one is vanilla and cocoa butter scent. This smells so good. Like, I just like any deodorant that smells like coconut, vanilla, powder fresh, anything like that I like. And this smells good. I used to use the Dove like spray deodorant, but I stopped using those because like when you spray you have all the fumes in the air and then you breathing that in, so I didn't want to do that anymore. So but I love Dove deodorant, so I decided to try this scent, the vanilla and cocoa butter, because it smells heavenly. And then I got these Mighty Patch. These are the invisible ones. The ones that I showed in my skincare routine, those are almost gone. So I wanted to try the Mighty Patch because before Canada, never used to carry these. But now you can find them in Shoppers and Walmart. So I'm excited to try this one. And these are also invisible like the ones that I were using before. It says the invisibly thin daytime patch gently absorbs pimple gunk in 6 to 8 hours, which is perfect as I keep getting new random pimples sometimes. But now I'm on my skincare journey. I don't get them as much, but I'm still gonna continue working on it, and I think these would be good to help with that. Now let's get into the vaginal products. As I mentioned, my friend recommended these because I used to use Tampax, but these ones, these are organic, but with the Tampax, I used to have discomfort. So that's why I wanted to try something different. And my friend recommended that these, like she uses them and she don't get no discomfort, no pain or anything. So I'm excited to try these. It says it has no rayon, no chlorine bleaching, no synthetic pesticides, no dyes and fragrances, and it's 100% organic. So I'm excited to try these, and I got two because there were two for $18. Then I got these You by Kotex pads. These are not the pads I would usually use. I usually use Stay Free. However, they didn't have any Stay Free pads in stock. So I end up getting this one because my friend also told me that she uses Kotex pads. So I get these because sometimes I would put in the tampon. Sometimes I would use a pad. It just depends on my mood. So I went ahead and I got some pads as well. And I got these Always Radiant panty liners, daily liners. These are really good, really comfortable. I use these all the time and I highly recommend. Next, I got some Cottonelle wipes. These are flushable wipes for when you use the washroom and stuff. Sometimes you might not want to use toilet paper. You can use these Cottonelle wipes because they're flushable. So I really like them, and they're soft. It's good. I usually just use these sometimes, so I like them. You know, you can use them like in public, at home, wherever. If you need to use the washroom, like these will help you clean up good. I like them. Highly recommend. Okay, so that's it for Walmart. Now I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I got from my hair for hair care. So as I mentioned, I have like my hair texture has changed. Like it's really dry, and my hairdresser told me that last time I went to her to get my hair done. And I also noticed it last time I was washing my hair. I'm like, my hair feels really brittle and dry, and she confirmed that for me. So I went ahead and I got the Shea Moisture Deep Moisturizing Shampoo with sea kelp and argan oil. This is to moisturize and cleanse curly to coily hair. So I'm excited to try this. I usually use Shea Moisture products anyway, but I would usually just try the different ones, like how this one is deep moisturizing, and I got some that's intense hydrating. I usually just try like different ones throughout the brand, but the brand I usually use this brand. So I'm excited to try this one and see if it could get my hair back to like being how it was before, like really soft. And then I also got the conditioner as well. Same thing, deep moisturizing conditioner with sea kelp and argan oil. So I'm gonna use those. And then I also pick up myself some edge control. This is the one that I use all the time. This is Easy Edge. I really like this. Highly recommend this. Sometimes it gives the white stuff, but that's if it has like a lot of buildup. but initially in the beginning phases, this works really good, and it keeps your edges laid. So I like this. And the final product is this here mayonnaise. I would always use this. So this was my holy grail for keeping my hair soft. And it had a period where I was not deep conditioning at all. I would just shampoo and condition and go, because I would always do my hair in a rush and not deep condition. And I think that's the reason for the change in my hair texture. So I want to get back my hair texture how it was before. So I would continue to use this one. It looks different. It says on the jar, new look, same great formula, but this new look thing, it seems like the bottle is smaller. Like they say new look, but it's like they make the bottle smaller for the same price and call it a new look. Anyways, this here mayonnaise by Organics. This, not Organics, Originals by Africa's Best. This is really good. I use this all the time in my hair routine, and I'm gonna start back taking good care and paying attention to my hair, so I'm gonna incorporate this. So that's it for the haul, the hygiene haul. We covered oral care, skin care, hair care, everything. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you found value in this video, and I hope some of the products that I recommend and that I use you guys might find helpful if you were looking to change some of your hygiene products. I hope this video was inspiring and motivating. Yes. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.